Hey, hello everyone. So today what we are going to cover in this video is how to create a flask app, simple flask app, and then build a Docker container from that flask app. So we will start with creating a simple flask app. So for that, okay, so I'll create a new file called flask say test.py. Okay, so this is our test file. I'll start with imports flask import flask. I'll name app as app flask name, then I'll give one app root so that we know that our app is working. I'll give it as a plain app root, and function for this app root will be, let's call it hello function, and we'll return hey, this is startup. Okay, and for initiating the app we'll write a main function. Main function, so for when we run the app on say port 8000, localhost for port 8000. Okay, so our flask app is ready. Next we will create a Docker file. So remember, before starting with Docker, make sure that you have Docker installed on your machine. You can install Docker from the official website. I'll show you the Docker website. Docker download. Currently I'm on Windows, so I'll download it for Windows. We have Linux as well as Apple. Okay, so we will set the working directory next. We will create a directory as a working directory. This will be inside the container, so you can name it anything you want. I'll name it flask app. Then I'll what we will need for running flask, whatever we need, whatever libraries we need. Right now we need only flask library, right? So I'll pip install flask. If your app needs any other libraries, you can install those libraries by running command. Now we've as we have mentioned here, our app is running on 8000 port, right? So we will need to expose our 8000 port, so I'll mention that too. So basically everything that needs to be done to run a flask app, whatever you do in the terminal or command prompt, that you need to mention in this Docker file. Then we will copy our files, which is in this case test.py, inside our working directory. Our test.py file, I'm copying in this working directory. And then on the command prompt, all I need to do is python test.py. So I'm missing dots on my, okay, so python test.py, this concludes our Docker file. So I'll share both these files with you so that you can make a quick run. We'll start Docker. I think my Docker is not running. Okay. So remember, you need to start your Docker. My Docker engine is starting. You can sign in or start it without signing in. Once the engine is ready, we can build our image. So I think, yeah, engine is ready. So now next we will build the image. So okay, it is building. So all the things are installed, 2 3 4, everything is done. Now I will run the image. So as you can see, it has started, and if I go to 8000 port, hey, this is startup. So this is how you create a flask app inside a Docker container. So now you can see that if I open my Docker containers, yeah, you can see that one container is currently running, and you can see everything, logs, terminal, can use it from here. So yeah, this is all for the tutorial. Thanks, keep watching, like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.